Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to add email account on your iPhone 17 Air. If you want all your emails on your iPhone 17 Air to stay in one place, then adding different accounts from Gmail and other providers will be the best option for you. So you have to open settings on your iPhone and then scroll all the way down to apps. And of course from this list you want to go to Mail. Now tap Mail Accounts button and tap Add Account. So now we can select your provider. If you tap here, you can select email provider from this list. But for example, if your provider is not listed, you can close this and you can simply enter your email address manually. So enter your email address and tap Next button right here in the top right corner of your screen, and then your iPhone will ask you to enter your account password. And you have to wait for the mail application to find your settings and verify your account. And that's basically how you can add your email account to your iPhone 17 Air. And also you can add multiple email accounts to your iPhone to receive all your emails in one place and send them from any of your accounts. And also if you go to your mail application, you can find all of your emails that are added to your Apple ID account. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.